Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Enable Google Assistant and grant microphone permission so the system can hear you. Make sure language and voice match are set to your voice and sign into the Google account you'll use. Once connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, place the device where it hears you clearly, then say the wake phrase and complete the voice training prompts. This trains authentication, reduces false activations, and links your personal results. It also prepares shortcuts and routines that you'll build in the next phase. Now execute core actions. Use concise commands like, "Hey Google, set timer 10 minutes, or play my commute playlist and follow on-screen confirmations. Once done, build routines, chain multiple actions into one phrase, and map shortcuts to apps or contacts. Make sure to add smart home devices in Home, link accounts, and assign default apps for music and navigation. Also adjust mic sensitivity and add secondary languages so commands are recognized in your preferred dialect. These steps make voice control reliable and faster. Finish by testing every command you need: calls, navigation, smart home control, and save frequent phrases as shortcuts. Make sure device names are short and distinct so recognition succeeds, then review privacy and activity controls to manage personalization. Finally, retrain voice match occasionally to adapt to voice changes. If something goes wrong, first verify microphone access and background noise, reboot the device, update the Google app, and retrain the voice model. This single troubleshooting step resolves most recognition and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.